When you were small, your cupped palms each held a candle's worth under the skin, enough light to begin. And as you grew, light gathered in you, two clear raindrops in your eyes, warm pearls shine in the lobes of your ears. Even always the light of a smile laughed at your tears. Your kissed feet glowed in my one hand, or I'd enter a room to see the corner you played in lit like a stage set. The crown of your bowed head spotlit. When language came, it glittered like a river, silver clever with fish. And you slept with a whole moon held in your arms for a night light, where I knelt watching. Light, 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 gather her. Light, 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 gather her. You fell from a star into my lap, soft lamp at the bedside mirrored in you. Now you shine like a snow girl, a buttercup under a chin. The wild blue yonder